In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install GitHub Desktop and clone a repository. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your favorite web browser. This could be anything from Google Chrome to Firefox or any browser you prefer. Once it's open, go ahead and search for GitHub Desktop. You'll want to look for the official GitHub website, which typically appears at the top of your search results. When you find the website, click on it to be taken to the GitHub Desktop page. Here, you should see a prominent button that says Download for Windows or something similar, depending on the operating system you are using. Make sure to select the version that suits your system, like the 64-bit version for Windows. Click on that Download button, and your browser will start downloading the installation file. Once the download is complete, you need to locate the file you just downloaded. This is usually in your Downloads folder by default. Find the GitHub Desktop installer file and double-click it to begin the installation process. A security prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to run this file. Go ahead and click Yes to allow it. The installation wizard will then guide you through the steps. Just follow the prompts, and it should only take a few minutes to complete. After successfully installing GitHub Desktop, it will ask you to authorize the app. This part is important, as this tool interacts with your GitHub repositories. You'll see an option asking you to sign in or authorize GitHub Desktop. Click through, and if you haven't logged in yet, you may need to enter your GitHub credentials, like your username and password. Once you're logged in, the application will confirm the authorization by showing a message that says OAuth application authorized. Great! Now you're all authorized and set up. Next, you'll see an option on the interface asking you to select a repository to clone. This could be a repository you created or one that you want to contribute to. If you have the URL for the GitHub repository you want to clone, you can paste it here. If you haven't picked a repository yet, go to the GitHub website, find the repository you're interested in, and copy its URL. Once you have that link, go back to GitHub Desktop, paste it into the URL section, and GitHub Desktop will automatically recognize it and bring it into the app. After you select your repository, you may need to choose where you want to store it on your local machine. You can use the default location or designate a new folder for easy access, whatever works best for you. Once you've made your selection, just click the Clone button. And voila! You've successfully cloned a repository to your GitHub Desktop application. Congratulations! You've now installed GitHub Desktop and cloned your first repository. If you found this process straightforward and useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.